Let's look at the personal coaching options at Target USMLE. I would first like to bring your notice to the Complete Comprehensive course. This is the most popular course. It comes with video tutorials, which is the complete study material, along with the CS handbook, and you get it for 60 days, the video tutorials. As you prepare with the video tutorials and the handbook, you get 6 spot assessments with Target USMLE tutors. Each assessment is about an hour long. The other course is the RCC course, or the Rapid Review course. You get access to the video tutorials for 30 days and you get 3 spot assessments of 1 hour each. Of course, in both the courses, you get personal tutoring and you get the CS handbook included in the course. What exactly we do during the spot assessments? Candidates get to present their cases to Target tutors who act as SP themselves. So they're not only acting as SPs, but they are also assessing you, your flaws for time wasters. They give you invaluable tips and they monitor your CIS and SCP competence and correct your English and grammar, and also watch you, what you do and how your flow of thoughts are during a case presentation. We assess how your mind thinks during the encounter, which is very critical because you need to operate at pressure, high pressure, with the clock ticking on the exam day. You're not going to be amongst 40 students. You are just going to be one single student facing the exam by yourself. Okay? We also demonstrate how to type a patient note in 10 minutes. Now that's common for both the courses. Of course, in the RCC course, we have 3 spot assessments. So we basically teach the candidate all that is needed to pass the exam. Whereas in the CCC course, we get to see how they perform as well, because it gives us more opportunities with more cases to assess how the student is actually doing. And by the 4th or 5th class, usually the students are pretty ready to go. And I'd like to mention that the CCC course comes with a 99% pass rate.